Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in order for you to start a PowerPoint Office 365, you need to go to Office 365. You need to select PowerPoint. You then need to make a new blank presentation. Once it loads, you need to rename your PowerPoint so you can easily access it and find it. So I'm just going to go ahead and name it Space Final, and I'm going to put my group number and the period number. So once that is completed, right, you can add your title and all of your names, space, and group names. And once that's completed, you're going to click the share button in the top right corner. You are going to type in their email address. You can ask your neighbor to type it in for you if you don't want to. Once you have typed in everyone you want to share it with, you're going to click send. And it's going to send them an email. So you need to go to your email in order to access it. So you're going to click the waffle cone on the top left corner, and you are going to click your Outlook, and you are going to look for the email from the person that shared it with you. You're going to click on the email, and there is going to be a spot for you to open it. And you're just going to click open, and then you're able to edit and access it on your own. So I hope that helped you. Thanks for watching.